Thank you very much for this introduction.
Please go ahead.
I will exactly try to discuss the two topics you mentioned. What is consciousness and what part of consciousness may be unique in humans since we have language and language-related abilities. And I will try to do something which is a little bit audacious in 30 minutes. I would like to cover two main points which correspond to two of my, my two latest books, actually. First, I'd like to discuss consciousness, and my main point will be that the basic operation of conscious access can and should be studied in both human and non-human animals. It's not at all unique to humans. We've discovered that there are signatures of consciousness that can be found at the brain level that are shared between animals and humans. And this science of consciousness is actually quite advanced. I think that few people know this. But it's so advanced that I would like to show that it can now be used to identify residual consciousness in brain lesion patients. However, my second point will be that there is something special to humans. And this is something I describe in a more recent book, How We Learn. My point will be that the contents of consciousness have become richer in humans. Why? Because we have a language of thought. We have a combinatorial ability specific perhaps to the human mind, to develop languages, of course, natural language, but also the language of mathematics, of music, and the language of theory of mind, the capacity to represent ourselves and others. And I would like to argue that this is a significant enrichment of our capacity to think about ourselves and our own consciousness.